Hey guys, this is Frosty8415. I'm down here at Yellington Shocks. We're going to have a set of shocks put on powder here, and yeah, my wife named the motorcycle Powder, so that's the way it's going to be. I'm going to, these guys are going to put some shocks on there so that my big old behind will fit on this motorcycle a little better, and at least ride a little bit better. I'll get this posted here in a second. I talked to the guys at the Harley shop. They recommended these shocks. They said I would be very happy doing these shocks. So, yeah. That over there, grabbing tools with Mike. He's the guy I talked to.
Morning.
He showed up this morning, and
It's always a bonus when I show up.
that's it. And we're gonna get these shocks on there. It's one of the poor designs of Harley is you get adjustable shock on one side and a non-adjustable shock on the other side. That just makes no sense to me because you're gonna twist. You can't help but twist. I mean, there's just no way around it. I got my little videographer over here. She's taking video for me too. She's a little better. Say hi, honey. Hi, honey. And of course, we got the bear. Everywhere we go, the bear goes. That could be because that was, well, I'm as big as a bear. How's that? But ride down this morning to Tampa was not too bad. Got into Tampa and hit a big parking lot. But it moved along pretty good. It wasn't really bad. But I can suggest one thing. Anytime you come into any of these major cities here, I gotta look at that shock there 1 second, just to show them what we're doing here. There you go, buddy. Look at that. In 10 minutes, he'll have his pants off, I promise. No.
Less than 10. Adjustment, it's marked on here which way to make it softer or stiffer. Don't need any special tools. Just grab the lower spring cup, turn it by hand. They come pre-adjusted. We have them pre-adjusted in the box, but also in the box there's in the instructions and in the warranty tells how to make additional adjustments. It's pretty simple. You know, shocks have been around for a long time, so it's a pretty simple process.
Yeah, these guys got good results, guys. I mean, you know, I went to the Harley shop and they recommend them highly. There's a lot of shocks out there. There's a lot of people out there. I talked to this man on the phone. He spent quite a bit of time with me on the phone, and he doesn't have to. I mean, he's all about customer service. He talked to me. He said, "You want to come down? Come on down. We'll take care of you." As a matter of fact, he said, by the amount of time that we've talked on the phone, we could have had them installed. But as you can see, there's not a lot to it. You just take the old shocks off. Like you said, they come pre-adjusted. They'll have to adjust them a little bit probably for me. And then you just...
Plus we're lowering this bike 1 full inch.
Yep.
So we'll make an adjustment after we get them on also.
Whoa.
That's a big plus for me, guys.
Whoa, you say?
Because
Whoa, you say?
How you look?
I need to come down like less than a centimeter.
I'm actually putting
Go
different
ahead. That side always goes
seats
up.
on. So I need to get it lowered a little bit so I can get my feet a little more steady on the ground. And this is what I want. My last bike was actually lowered and it did very well. Very pleased with it. Look at them.